Oh my god, man, the voice of Ken is so angelic, man. I was just thinking, no, kasi medyo hindi ako nagsalita for that entire section right there, no. Isip ko lang na Indonesians get to hear this for the first time in their freaking language, and they get to feel what we felt. SB19 is making songs that matters. It is making songs that changes lives and perspectives. And hindi lang sa Pilipino nangyari yun. We get to carry that and pass that across the language barrier, across another country, in their own language, in their own interpretation. That is success to me. That is SB19. So happy, bro. So proud and happy for them. Alright, SB19 Mapa Indonesian version. Dati, puro Pinoy lang yung nagtatranslate o gumagawa ng mga Tagalog version ng mga ang Cebu Pacific. Ha? Nang yun? Aeroplano. Pinoy lang yung gumagawa dati ng mga Tagalog version ng mga international artists. Now we get to be translated into another language. Tapos legit, hindi lang cover-cover, talagang merong collaboration between SB19 and Miss Aruma, yung pangalan nung hindi ko alam kung artist. Feeling ko artist to eh. Shit man. I should have searched this, pero may nakita kong TikTok na parang babae na artist to, si Ma'am Aruma. If I'm correct, no? If I'm mistaken, please do comment. Pero ito ay Tagalog version ng Mapa, which is the most viewed lyric video ng SB19, no? So wala na madaming sasabihin. This is a win. I'm excited to hear this. So Indonesian version, man, this is gonna be amazing. So wala na madaming sasabihin. Master, maraming salamat pala if you have subscribed ngayon lang. Sa mga bago dito, welcome po. I promise to make the best content that I can make, kasi hindi tayo gumagawa ng half-baked, half-cooked dito, kagaya ng boys. I will give it my all. Kung pangit yung kalabasan, wala nang magagawa. That's the best I can do. So, this is Aruma. Ay, pag di nyo pa napanood to, ang link nasa baba. Unahin yung panoorin yung artist, wag yung reactor. Kasi kami, makapal yung mga mukha. Okay, buti ang dami sinasabi mag-comment kayo doon, i-like nyo, mag-comment kayo. That's how we do the real supporting shit. Okay, let's go. Allow, let's play na. Okay, naghihintay na kami. Mapa Indonesian, let's go. Nandito ang SB19. I thought this is gonna be an Indonesian version only na tinranslate niya into Indonesian, but SB19 is in on it. Shit, man, I'm excited. Let's go. Balik natin, dumaan yung spaceship. Pablo, ganda ng boses mo.
Mama, bagaimana kabarmu?
This Aruma.
Lama tak bertemu, dirimu ku rindu.
Man, shit, yung labutan mo.
Selalu aku yang utama Bolehkah kau tak
Oh
mengalah?
man, shit!
Kau
Narinig mo yung ano yan? Ang ganda nung ganun. Ayun yung mga karakter ng boses na hinahanap ko sa tao, men. Sa singer. Yung may ano eh, may kirot eh.
selalu aku yang utama. Bolehkah kau tak mengalah? Kau berhak bahagia.
Kalau duniaku di setiap pada hidupku masih
Nalilito na ako. Ba't may kumantang... So, Aruma, grupo ba to? Kasi may ibang kumanta eh. So, baka may lalaki silang grupo. Eto yung nangyayari pag hindi ka nagre-research, Curbs. Kasalanan mo to. Hindi ka nagre-research kung ano si Aruma, grupo ba yan o tao ba yan. Sinong lalaki? Si Pablo ba yun o kagrupo ning... Okay, pakinggan na lang natin.
nafas karenamu. Jangan khawatir, bersandarlah sebentar saja. Lepaslah
si Pablo tsaka si Ken.
biar aku saja.
Kau beri hangatan buatku bahagia, mama. Lepaslah lelah, biar aku saja. La tara tara, la tara tara, la tara tara tara, la tara la
Ganda! Shit!
tara tara, la tara tara, la tara tara tara, la tara la tara.
Papa, apakah kau masih ingin?
Oh my God! SB19 is really here! That is Diyos Kulin, man. Diyos Kulin yun. Yan, hindi na ako magkakamali. Kilala ko yun. Damn, they really did an Indonesian version. Okay. Bahala ka na siya. Ano ba yun? Gulo ng buhok ko, no? Si Diyos Kulin yun. Nandito nga sila! Oh, man! Damn. Legit, man. Worldwide. World fucking wild. I'm so happy, man. SB19, I'm so happy.
Papa, apakah kau masih ingat? Waktu dulu aku masih kecil, kau persiapkan aku untuk menghadapi kehidupan. Pesanmu selalu ku bawa sampai akhir waktu, meski kita jauh, tak perlu berdiri untukmu, papaku.
Man, SB19 is the best. This is what I've been telling everybody, man. Man, ang sarap talaga pakinggan kapag kumakanta ang SB19. Now they get to do it in another language with an amazing collaborations with Ma'am Aruma, SB19 Philippines, and Aruma Indonesia. Worldwide domination, worldwide collaborations, man. Let's say it together. SB19 is the best. Tama ka. Let's go.
Dalam hidupku,
Ken!
melangkah. Jangan khawatir, bersandarlah sebentar saja.
Shit, man, sorry. Siguro kapag ka parang feeling anime yung buhay ko. Alam mo yung parang may mga araw na parang anime yung buhay mo na madahil struggles and shit. Parang hirap na hirap ka or in love ka. Ang puso mo ay hindi mo alam yung sa parents mo ba o kahit ano. Parang animated yung life mo for a day. Ito yung ipi-play ko kung para sa mapanoorin. Kung parang animated yung buhay ko na parang ang daming nangyari sa araw, feeling ko ito yung ipi-play ko sa playlist ko. Shamara mundi, shamara sanabata, para sa buririra. Ang ganda pakinggan, shit! Let's go.
Lepaslah lelah, biar aku saja. Kau beri hangat dan buatku bahagia, Papa.
Ganda ng boss ng babae.
Biar aku saja.
the drums, man.
Seluruh nafas takkan sia-sia, takkan aku biarkan.
Aku akan menjelajahi dunia.
Sampai kapanpun ku takkan hilang arah, karena tujuanku jelas. Kemanapun ku pergi kan selalu ingat rumah. Jangan khawatir, bersandarlah sebentar saja.
Oh my God, man.
Biar aku.
Man, the voice of Ken is so angelic, man. I was just thinking, no, kasi medyo hindi ako nagsalita for that entire section right there, no. Isip ko lang na Indonesians get to hear this for the first time in their freaking language, and they get to feel what we felt. SB19 is making songs that matters. It is making songs that changes lives and perspectives. And hindi lang sa Pilipino nangyari yun. We get to carry that and pass that across the language barrier, across another country, in their own language, in their own interpretation. That is success to me. That is SB19. So happy, bro. So proud and happy for them.
Jangan khawatir, bersandarlah sebentar saja. Lepaslah lelah, biar aku saja. Beri hangat dan buatku bahagia maba. Lepaslah lelah, biar aku saja.
Hindi ko napigilan. Sumabit pa.
Lepaslah lelah, biar aku saja.
God damn. Oh man, shit. Let me just say this first, because this is a song from Miss Aruma's channel. Now I know, and I can say na isang babae nga talaga to, isang sikat na singer sa Indonesia. Excuse me. Let me just say that her voice is freaking divine and angelic. So smooth, so soft. Sobrang sarap pakinggan. I like the signature, the mali, yung parang airy na basta di ko makuha, pero napakasarap sa tengang pakinggan. Very amazing na yung pinili nilang kanta is Mapa, which is very akma sa collaboration between SB19 and Miss Aruma. Very nice collaboration. The voice of SB19 may pagka ano na siya, parang anime na parang, alam mo yun, kasi di ko maintindihan yung sinasabi. Eh, ganun talaga. Pag di mo maintindihan, kala mo, ano na eh, anime, Samba Sindarsa! Pero I definitely can feel the message because I know the Tagalog version of this shit. So I can feel the message, and I know that what we felt as Filipinos will be felt by the Indonesians, and I know that they're gonna appreciate it, and I know that they're gonna be hugging their moms and dads today kung kailan nila makikinggan to. And again, thank you so much for Miss Aruma. This is a pleasure, especially to the listeners and to 18 na sumusuporta sa SB19. And SB19, don't ever change, because we love you as who you are. natatampo lang ako kasi wala tayong, hindi ko pa kayo nakikita at nakakausap. Kaya makindatan ko lang si Stel, pwede na. Joke lang. Pero I love you. Masters love you. We love you. This is an amazing collaboration. And if you like this kind of content, always remember na nandito ako. Well, sa channel na to, we don't do sugar-coated shit. And we always stay true and real. And if you like this kind of stuff and content, please do subscribe. We're trying to hit 20k subs with the collaboration of Smooth Pacific. Kahit wala siyang ambag. No? Ingay lang yung ambag ng hayop. Subscribe po. Maraming salamat. This has been Curbs Page, and you, Master, has been amazing. You, Master, you have been amazing. You, Master, you, Master. Paano ba yung grammar nung hype? Thank you.